Okay, this is Siematic Manager S7-200CN, the Chinese market version. And it is a standard stop run and debugging standard. When you see the wiring diagram, at the top we have output and at the bottom we have input. So when you see the I parts are the input one and the Q parts are the outputs, okay? So here we have QQ, Q01, Q02, Q03 at the top. That indicates that the top wires are the output wiring ports, which is in order to actuate the relays, okay? The final system at the load center is motor. For that motor, the signal is sent from the relay. So that actuation mechanism is automated in this particular CPU. And at the bottom, we have the input parts. But at the middle, we see the communication ports, okay? This communication port is the ACDC communication port and manual adjustment also. The I/O parts are also the input part and the Q parts at the top and I parts from the bottom. The bottom wires are the input wires, okay? The input wires, and the other one is output. There internally we have patching and operating, okay? The systems are also working in such a way, but CPU is the brain in order to operate. When we see the communication port is in order to communicate, in order to integrate the CPU with digital input outputs, okay? This is the digital input for this Siematic Manager S7-CN version. And again, here we have the manual adjustments that makes the CPU on the run mode and on the stop mode, okay? Here we have manual toggle switches. That toggle switch is in order to switch the CPU at run mode, stop mode, and fault mode, okay? So we can toggle the switch by making a change by this switch lines, okay, switch points. So the other thing what you have to know in here is the power supply. The power supply is the DC to any 4 volt, which is very important. If the polarity changes, that may damage the entire CPU. So technicians, especially the automation engineer, make sure in connection during connecting the power supply, especially the line with the neutral line. When you interchange the line with the neutral, it probably damage the CPU. And here we see this is the RJ45, the port 1 and port 0. Port 0 is for spare, especially to connect CPU with the computer, and this one is internal in order to connect the system. So in our automation, what we've learned is in order to update this Siematic Manager S7-200CN to 300, okay, S7-300. So we are going to program again the entire working principle by studying the working principle and reprogramming the program, and then interchange Siematic Manager S7-300, okay? So later on I will try to explain for you how we have done the programming. I will come up with the updated version S7-300.